Guys, so it's me again, yung ating Jaja, no edit, no filter, just me. So for today's vlog, another vlog na naman about mga pangarap, pursuing your dreams and goals. So, ayan, so pag-uusapan natin is about mga dreams, thoughts, experiences, and isi-share ko ngayon sa inyo. So, the title is Start Now, Take a Baby Step, and Pursue Your Dreams. Kung bago ka pa lang sa akin channel, don't forget to subscribe. So, ayan. Yes, nag-i-start ka pa lang ngayon and natatakot ka na sumugal, na mag-take ng risk. Pero kailan ka pa mag-i-start? Sa susunod na araw, ngayon, bukas, makalawa? If I were you, start now. Take a baby steps, okay? If you are watching, this is a sign to start now. I know, lagi ko 'tong sinasabi, nothing is impossible with God. As long as, for example, now nag-iipon ka and then meron ka talagang goal sa life mo na hindi ka lang para dito. You are more than this. Lagi mo isipin, yes, nothing is impossible with God. Pwede mong matupad yung mga malalaking pangarap mo nang kasama mo siya. Okay? And baby steps lang. You don't need to rush anything. Okay? You don't need to overthink, just go to the flow, and lagi mo isama yung prayers kasi prayers is so powerful. Prayers is so powerful among the rest. Okay. Lagi tayo may mga maririnig na kung ano-ano. But then, lagi mong isipin na ang prayers and si God ay nakikinig sa'yo. Laging mahirap ang buhay araw-araw. But then, lagi mo isipin, life is short. You need to start now. Take risks. Take risks and take a baby steps. For example, your dream is to have a business. It takes time. Kaya kailangan kapag sumugal ka sa isang bagay, you have a long patience. Kailangan mo maghintay. Kasi it's worth the wait kapag naghintay ka. Okay? Kailangan hindi yes, lahat tayo meron tayong mga attitudes na hot-headed. But then you have to wait and you have to be patient. Okay? And lagi nyo isipin na lahat ng bagay walang imposible when you have God. Okay? Minsan sinusubok tayo ng mga pagkakataon na sumuko. Pero lagi nyo isipin, walang mangyayari lalo kapag sumuko ka. Okay? You have to take risks. Be positive. And lagi nyo tandaan natin is impossible with God. Okay, hanggang dito na lang. Sana na-inspire kayo. And don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Click the notification bell for more upcoming videos. Bye! See you in my next vlog.